Good morning, students. 7th Standard Science, Physics Chemistry Part, Unit 1, Heat and Temperature. What is heat? What is heat? The quality of being hot, high temperature. And temperature. What is temperature? The measurement of warmness or coldness of a substance. Okay. Students, look at the picture. In winter season, we feel coldness. Okay. In summer season, we feel hotness. Okay. You shiver when it is cold outside and sweat when it is hot outside. But how can you measure weather temperature? The measurement of warmness or coldness of a substance is known as its temperature. What is temperature? What is temperature? The measurement of warmness or coldness of a substance. Okay. Students, it is measure of average kinetic energy of the particle. But in heat, total kinetic energy of the particle. Okay. But temperature, average kinetic energy of the particle. Okay. Temperature measure average kinetic energy of the particle. Heat measure total kinetic energy of the particle. Okay, students. Okay. Temperature is related to how fast the atoms within a substance are moving. Okay. Temperature is related to how fast the atoms, how fast the molecules, how fast the particles. Okay. Students, see that pictures. Here we see this is a gas particles. This is also a gas particles. Okay. Here these particles move very fast. Okay, these particles move very fast, so it get more kinetic energy than those on the left. Okay, so the gas on the right is at a higher temperature compared to this temperature. Okay, students. Next we see the topic temperature units. Temperature units. There are 3 units which are used to measure the temperature. Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Students, here we see Celsius scale. Celsius is written as degree Celsius. How to read it? Degree Celsius. Okay. In Fahrenheit is written as degree Fahrenheit. Okay. In Kelvin scale, Kelvin is written as K. K. Kelvin scale is also a SI unit. Okay. It is also absolute scale. Okay. Kelvin scale also called absolute scale. Okay, students. Okay. Then second, for example, 20 degrees Celsius. How to read this? 20 degrees Celsius. Okay. Here 25 degrees Celsius. 25 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. 25 degree Fahrenheit. 23 Kelvin. Okay. 23 Kelvin. Students, thermometers with Celsius scale are calibrated from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. Is used to measure minimum value 0 degree Celsius, maximum 100 degree Celsius. Okay. In Fahrenheit, the thermometer with the Fahrenheit scale are calibrated from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 Fahrenheit. 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Thermometers with Kelvin scale are calibrated from absolute zero temperature. Okay, students. Next, we see the topic thermometer. What is thermometer? Thermometer is the most common instrument. Okay, it is a instrument. Okay, this instrument is used to measure temperature. Okay, this instrument is used to measure temperature. Thermometer is an instrument to measure temperature. Okay. Students, there are various kinds of thermometers. Some of them are like glass tubes. Some of them are like glass tubes which look thin and are filled with some kind of liquid. Here, this thin column filled with some liquid. Okay, that liquid is mercury or alcohol. We take this liquid as mercury or alcohol. Okay. Why mercury is used in thermometer? Because its property. Okay. Next we see properties of mercury. Okay. First property, mercury expansion is uniform. Its expansion is uniform. Okay. It expand in uniform. Okay. For equal amount of heat, it expands by equal length. Okay. Then it is opaque and shining. Okay. Opaque means not transparent. Okay. Not transparent. Okay, it is opaque and shining. Okay, it is very shine. Then it does not stick to the sides of the glass tube. Okay, it does not stick. Okay, then it is a good conductor of heat. Okay, it is a good conductor of heat. It has high boiling point and low freezing point. Boiling point value 357 degrees Celsius and the low freezing point minus 39 degrees Celsius. Okay, it is a minimum value. It is a maximum measurement value. Okay. Mercury used in thermometer, that thermometer is used to measure minimum value minus 39 degrees Celsius, maximum 357 degrees Celsius. Okay. Hence, a wide range of temperatures can be measured using a mercury thermometer. Okay. So, we use in many area mercury thermometer. Okay. Thank you, students.